Anong baseline mo?
Mga 24.
Grabe ka rin naman kasi mag-ano.
Nandun. Kasi nagpapatahi ako ng mga clothes, so mga I think 24.
Extra small ang size mo, no?
Yeah, extra small. Kasi kitita ko. Kitita ko na babae. I've always had issues with my weight before I had Elias. But after Elias, I stopped. I don't really drink anymore. My lifestyle changed. So may times kasi na tinatamad ako kumain. But I have to eat. So, yeah, mahilig ako mag-try-try. Since nasa alam naman natin na yung algorithms, kung mahilig ka mag-search ng mga kung ano-ano, palabas yung lahat ng options mo. So, that's how I came across.
Na-try mo yun.
Okay as is. I just, take it, because I stopped being pescatarian. Kasi naging pescatarian ako the first part of the pandemic, the first year. And then eventually I said, okay, I need to go back to eating chicken, beef, whatever I want.